Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by accessing Tab menu. Following that, look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. Then, in order to disable it, tap on Close in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is now disabled. If you want to enable it, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then swipe up and tap on this switcher next to Location Access to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!